Hello, this is Richard at Magnaflow, and we're here at SEMA 2013. We have a whole lot of new products to talk about, but first we're going to address some of the questions about catalytic converters. A lot of people wonder, does the aftermarket catalytic converter install the same way as the factory converter? First answer to that is, in one case with the universals, no. The universals will require some degree of custom fabrication, whether it's welding, cutting, or something to actually place it back in the system. On the other hand, we do have our direct fit components, which are actually, like the name implies, a direct fit part. Our OEM grade versus our standard grade in the 49 state application has a difference of loading. The OEM grades are designed around vehicles that were basically a California certified part that's outside the state of California. These parts have a higher loading, which causes them to have a check engine light if they are not used with the appropriate cat. So one of the things you'll look for is check under the hood on the emissions tag. If it says it's a California cat, even if it's outside the state of California, an OEM grade is the proper part for you. When you're talking about driver's side and passenger side, those things only apply to a motor that is in a forward-facing position. Four-cylinder motors and some of the V6s are actually twisted sideways. And in those cases, you're going to want to look for the location, which might be identified as a front cat or a rear cat, which would identify, again, what might have usually been called a driver's side or passenger side. So look in the location segment to find out what exactly the OEM is going to use as a definition for what is the location. Once you've determined the installation, the proper parts and everything, the last thing, of course, is what does it come with? The catalytic converters in the direct fit segment actually have all the parts necessary to do an installation. Sometimes that means that you're going to reuse some of the hardware or some of the gaskets that are provided by the OE. If those cannot be reused, they should be included in the kit. In the event that you do have a universal product, you will have to purchase the additional products and or do the fabrication required to install that component. The final question that we have is, does the actual catalytic converter add to horsepower? Well, the way that we design our catalytic converters is to meet or exceed the federal standard that we have for a 49 state program. We do use a different cell per square inch, otherwise known as a CPI, which may enhance airflow characteristics, but inherently the design of the catalytic converter is such that it meets those standards to make sure that we convert the proper amount of harmful emissions into clean air. No matter what cat you're looking for, whether it's 49 state or California, Magnaflow provides an extensive catalog of direct fit and universal products. If it's quality you need and a certification to pass, we have the right product for you. If you're looking to shop, AutoAnything.com's got the part for you.